Hey guys, welcome back. It's Carter from Bitsby Trippin'. Doing some spring cleaning right now, moving a lot of the boxes that are on our live streams normally, the stuff that you see in the back. So we're moved them over, trying to change the location, clean up that back studio area. And as I was moving this stuff, I was noticing a lot of the different builds that we had this year. Quite a few builds this year, a lot of different pieces of technology, RX 580s, 570s, 1080s, 1070s, 1080 Ti's. Pretty much of almost every brand, you know, package combo, including some of these more rare cards like the Pro Duo, 8 gig HBM memory. We had the Titan V video that was pretty popular. Most of it all centered around cryptocurrency and what you could get in the different algorithms out there. So what I was thinking about doing is reaching out to some of the other YouTubers out there and seeing maybe we can do some kind of collab, or maybe I just send the cards to them like we did for Gamers Nexus on the Titan V. And what I want them to do is validate some of the claims that are being made that if you've mined with cards for several years that you can't game with them. Now I disagree with that because almost all of our GPUs mine, and that we also play a lot of games with them. I have about 12 gaming PCs down in my basement. I bring a lot of the developers and folks that I work with over. We'll play games, we'll do all kinds of stuff, and then the rest of the time they're mining all the time. So what I want to do is debunk that kind of thread and then give people what really needs to happen if you're going to hold, you know, a miner, or you're going to do stuff with a miner, if it's on your local PC, or if you're going to go buy some aftermarket GPUs and somebody says that they've been mined with, that you're going to be okay as long as they've done a few things, such as watch the power, the temperature, the fan curve, make sure that you didn't burn up the fans. A lot of our stuff, we have the things that we do, and I want to have a whole separate video on that to show you guys kind of what we do to make sure that we preserve the cards and that they'll mine no different. You know, some of these ones that we have back here, if we bring back, you'll see some of the, there we go, R9 390s, 390Xs. You know, we have a lot of these different cards. All these cards have been mining, some of them for over a year, some for 6 months, 7 months. And I want to go through that with folks and then give some other YouTubers or other folks a chance to maybe do their benchmarks on these and see what the results are. So you guys can let me know in the comments, you know, how we should do this. If I can get one of the other YouTubers that actually sees this, and we can collab, or I can send you the graphics cards and you can do the test. Hell, I might even send them to Gamers Nexus again. We'll see. I need you guys to help me get them to see this video, and then we'll see what we can do. I want to be fully transparent. I want to show, hey, these things have been mining for X long time, and I want you guys to know the results scientifically, the way we usually do this on this channel. Observe and report. Let's do the real thing. Let's make sure people are doing this stuff educated and understand if they're going to mine the way they should mine to preserve their hardware. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share this video, and we'll see if we can find out some information. Peace.